everyone, this is Chef Ernest Reynoso Gala and welcome to my kitchen, and today I'm going to introduce to you the Petron Gasul Elite. Millions of Filipinos use Petron Gasul because it is sakto, sulit, and safe. It's aesthetically appealing. Look at this gorgeous gas tank. It's also 50% lighter than your normal steel LPG. So, wow! Lightweight siya. It's also anti-corrosive, anti-rust, and with the slits here on the side, you can actually see when your gas is almost empty. So it's a super great product to have. Now, if you want this great product, all you have to do is call Petron Gasul Express Delivery Hotline, #88000. Today, we're going to make a fantastic recipe called Braised Pork Spareribs, brought to you by Petron Gasul Elite. So, our ingredients are, for today, we're going to be using a pressure cooker. Alright, now the nice thing with the pressure cooker, it makes cooking very easy. If you're using an elite product like Petron Gasul with your pressure cooker, cooking will be so much fun. We have here our pressure cooker, and we're going to turn on the heat first, of course. And as you can see, the blue flame, because of the blue flame, it makes it very efficient. And we will simply add oil, and we will also add garlic. And of course, we chop this up, and we're going to brown the garlic a little bit. And once it begins to heat up, we add our pork. And we will just brown it a bit. So, braising means you're pan frying something just to darken the color, and then you're going to cook it in an airtight container like our pressure cooker. We're not going to cook this all the way. We just want that nice color to come out. Now, the advantage of a pressure cooker, number one, because of our Petron Gasul Elite, you can control the heat. And the nice thing with the pressure cooker, it makes your meat very tender, and it pushes all the ingredients. It pushes it inside our meat. So there's no need to marinate for a long time. It cooks very fast. And then we add our spring onions. And as you can see, our gas is very efficient. I don't even have to cook at high fire. Just medium-low heat is okay because the heat is very intense. Then we will add our dark soy sauce. Okay. We also add our oyster sauce. And then we have brown sugar. Okay. We will also add our perfume for the spare ribs, our rice wine. And also, mucho terrifico, our star anise. Then, we will mix well. Before we forget, we will also add our water. So we increase the heat just a little bit and then slowly put it to low fire. Okay? And then we will get our timer and start timing for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, we turn off our heat and we slowly release the pressure. There you go. Alright, so we remove the lid. So we turn on the heat to low fire lang. And we have here, of course, our 1/4 cup water with our 2 tablespoons cassava starch. This is our thickening agent, or what they call the slurry. So we will just add this together and we will mix with our small whisk. Our sauce is already simmering. So that's when we will pour our slurry all over our spare ribs. And then we will get our giant whisk and we will mix very well until the sauce is nice and thick. And there it is. It's beginning to simmer. So we will just get our spare ribs. And as you can see, our meat is fork tender. Now, of course, we want it very colorful. So we will put some leeks for decor. And there you have it. Fast, easy, masarap. Brought to you by the best gasul ever. Sakto, sulit, safe. Petron Gasul Elite.